Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TubeBuddy AI for keyword research workflow automation step by step clearly. To install TubeBuddy AI for keyword research workflow automation, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the TubeBuddy website. Click on the Get TubeBuddy button displayed on the home page. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. If you're new to TubeBuddy, select the free trial option to start exploring. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information to register. After registration, log in to your new TubeBuddy account. Once logged in, you will see a prompt to install the TubeBuddy browser extension. Select the browser you are using, whether it's Chrome. Click on the appropriate link to go to the extensions store page. On the store page, click the Add to Browser Name button. Confirm the installation when prompted by your browser. Once installed, return to the TubeBuddy website for additional setup. The extension should now be visible in your browser toolbar. Click on the TubeBuddy icon to open the tool. You may need to log in again to connect the extension with your YouTube account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, navigate to the Keyword Research section in the TubeBuddy dashboard. Here, you can start using the AI features to analyze keywords. Input a keyword or phrase relevant to your content into the search bar. TubeBuddy AI will generate a list of related keywords and suggestions. Use the data provided to refine your video topics and optimize for SEO. Explore the additional tools and settings within TubeBuddy for enhanced functionality. With TubeBuddy AI set up, you're now ready to automate your keyword research workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.